Hi, welcome to this really quick introduction to our GCSE Higher Grade 6 course. Really, it's just to explain why we've created it and what to expect. So, here is a crazy statistic, only it's not an unusual statistic. So, whilst this is stating it was less than 30% in 2024, it hovers around that 30% year in, year out. That skill and mathematical level that you need to be at to break from the grade 5 into those higher grades requires a slightly different way of thinking mathematically, the way that you're processing and approaching your problems. And obviously, the knowledge that you need has to be greater and different to that you are achieving in the grade 5. This course is to try and bridge that gap a little bit. So some of the content that we cover are included here. Now, you may look at some of the things in that list and think, well, we see that at foundation level, and yes, we do, but they are extended and pushed to a level that is like on steroids. So the simultaneous equations, yes, we've got some assumed knowledge that you have with that, but equally what you're going to see is very different indeed. Each session has a recap. I would really encourage you not to skip this. It's just really important for helping build that memory, to get that hardwired into your brain. And also, I use the recap as an opportunity to increase the complexity of the problem. So you might have practiced it at a certain level during the lesson originally, but as we move through, the recap's going to keep pushing and pushing so that you're being forced to think more critically all the time. Every session has its own worksheet. So that's downloadable. It's in the description. I would recommend printing it because it's nicer to be able to write on them than it is to be able to work solely from a screen. I've also included a consolidation. Now, this is where we just take a break from the new learning and we take a moment to think about what we've done so far in the course, and we just have a bit of a practice there. I haven't done a consolidation for the end of the course. If there's a demand for it, then by all means, I will create one and we'll add it into the playlist. So yeah, if that's something that you think you want, it would almost, I guess, be an assessment, wouldn't it, for the end of the course. But if you would like that, then just let me know and I will get that created and added. So it's an intensive course. It's very full. It will keep you busy for a number of hours. I would encourage you to commit to it. If you pick it up and then put it down for a couple of weeks and then pick it up and put it down for a couple of weeks, you're going to lose momentum and you're going to find it really, really difficult to just embed all the methods and all the ideas and strategies that we're trying to give in this course that will allow you to develop as a mathematician and go on and access those higher grades.